This is our main distribution center in Europe, from which we service all of our markets for both stores as well as for our e-commerce business. We made the choice to take the full service solution from Vanderlande because we did acknowledge that we didn't have the functional expertise within our organization to manage a highly automated environment as we have it today. The complexity of the ASRS system, it felt too risky doing it yourself, or to outsource it also didn't make any sense. So it's not really a long thought process to go for the full service solution from Vanderlande.
Hey guys, I'm the maintenance manager on site. I'm supporting the team on site, so it means maintenance of the system, also weekly inspections, safety, all kind of issues with the systems, jam busting systems. We take care of that the system is really responsible, that we can work with the system, that they have less downtime. We try to fix it quick so that we can solve all the issues.
Here what we do is basically check the status of that app. So here on the screen you can see in real time what every shuttle and every lift is doing. With the data we can collect from here, we can analyze how errors happen. For example, if we see that a shuttle crashes every time in certain landing, then we know, okay, maybe there's something wrong with that landing, and we can check that and then prevent from future errors from happening.
The Vanderlande service organization is a very experienced and big organization. They know their own system, they know what to do from a preventive maintenance point of view, from a monitoring point of view, and they can really help us to build a stable operation and make sure that we can match the numbers that are needed from a demand point of view.
We have a lot of experience with Vanderlande team because we are not just the team what is on site, but also other facilities that have already site-based teams. So we have also some support from other site-based teams. So we can share all the knowledge to each other so that we have a big background to keep the system running. So I think that's a good point of having a site-based team.
Working on site is good because we can help customers reach their expectations and meet their goals.
I like it to solve problems, optimize the system, get the customer happy again, so yeah, that's why it suits me.
It takes away the worry about the automation and keeping it running, right? So we can really focus on managing our facility, operating the facility, not so much having to worry about the maintenance, all the incidents, service that needs to happen. We can really focus on operating, so we do what we do best and Vanderlande can do what they do best, and that's maintaining their own technology, because ultimately that's where the expertise is.
Vanderlande, moving your business forward.